Everyone who is currently researching hair restoration wonders how much a hair transplant costs. You may have noticed that the pricing information is missing from many surgeons' websites. The main reason is variability. Hair restoration cost depends on many factors. The number of grafts you will require, the type of procedure. Not enough donor area will require a hair restoration plan that will involve additional treatments. Availability. The patient's budget. It is vital to get an online or in-person consultation so that the surgeon will have data and, most importantly, view your balding area to calculate the number of grafts required for hair restoration. View your donor area to calculate how many grafts can be extracted and used to restore your hair. Your gender, your age, your family history, and more. Online consultation at ForHair is free. Bear in mind, you might find some cheap options, especially in Turkey and countries that have poor economies. But cheap is dangerous and can turn out to be very expensive. These are some of the red flags when choosing your clinic. The clinic offers a cost per hair and not per graft. This is a dirty trick because a graft can contain 1 to 8 hairs, so you get less grafts. The clinic is advertising a surgeon, but only techs or nurses actually perform your procedure. This is not legal in many countries. Only a skilled certified surgeon should perform hair restoration. The clinic follows an assembly line model producing 10 to 30 transplants per day. The clinic uses cheap hair transplant tools and devices, Dremels. The clinic or its staff lack experience. The ForHair clinic monitors the cost of hair transplant surgery among other clinics and remains competitive. Our goal is to help make healthcare affordable. Therefore, we offer financial plans with American healthcare lending and care credit. In the end, many patients regret choosing the cheaper option and come to ForHair to repair their bad work, leading to triple the cost to remove, replace, and create alternative donor supplies. Inexpensive become expensive. ForHair is run by Dr. Cole with 30 years of hair restoration experience, and we offer the most cutting-edge technology available. In fact, the ForHair Enterprise sub-company Cole Instruments manufactures custom-made tools and automated tools for hair restoration physicians all over the world. Our quality, expertise, and skills are superior to other clinics. Our reputation and results are the best in the world. It's time to restore your hair. It's time to choose ForHair. We hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the little bell button to get notifications of ForHair's video uploads. For online consultation, click on the link on the screen or in the video description.